When teaching the unit on animal studies, it is suggested that all 3 animals be ordered simultaneously before starting the unit to avoid late arrivals when you are ready to teach the lesson. When the animals arrive, either keep them in holding pails or prepare the habitats of each animal and place animals in their separate individual habitats. Keep or hide the habitats away from the students until teacher is ready to teach the lesson. The Elodea sprigs or water plant is shipped with the frog. It will arrive most often discolored. Reorder as soon as possible. Some students may be bothered by the odor of plankton. That's the food fed to fiddler crabs. Feed crabs outside of the classroom. To prevent millipedes from getting out of the habitat, place a heavy object on the top cover. If you do not have access to a sink and running water, which must be conditioned before putting the frogs in your room, store-bought distilled water in gallon jugs works just as well.